Hello. So I thought I'd just give a quick background into the start of WIDI. So Wales Institute of Digital Information came into being in 2017. That was a strategic partnership between the University of Wales Trinity St David's and NHS Wales Informatics Service. Primarily, that was around our educational offerings, our learning offerings, and also supporting NWIS staff. 120 staff moved into Technium 2 on the Swansea campus. So in terms of our learning and educational offerings, that's enabled us to offer and deliver the level 2, 3, 4 health informatics qualifications, which are distance learning. So that's through a distance learning approach with our colleagues at College Cigar. And then obviously we've got the digital degree apprentices, of which there's the 3 pathways, and that's cybersecurity and networking, data analytics, and software development. So primarily WIDI came into being for those reasons, but it was always intended that we would look to offer and be involved in other initiatives. So I'm going to hand over to Ian, who will tell us where we've expanded.
Yeah, it was always our intention within WIDI to not just offer educational programs, but also to get involved in research. Primarily, we've concentrated firstly on developing educational initiatives, apprenticeships and so forth. But latterly, we are now looking to also develop our research program. Yes, WIDI has now started to develop in the research area as well as the educational opportunities. First of all, we started developing PhDs with NWIS, and a number of staff within NWIS have engaged on research programs with the University of Wales Trinity St David, and that enables them to do very focused applied research projects which are a direct relevance to their jobs. That has obvious benefits to both organisations, both the university and to NWIS. The university, of course, has extra students as a result of that. But NWIS means they get very high level development of existing systems and also developing intellectual stimulus within the organisation as well.
The MOU gives formal recognition to a partnership that is already in place and functioning well. However, that formality will help ensure governance and transparency of what we're doing. This is important as much of our research relies on trusted sharing of data that can be utilised in ways that help propagate initiatives and interventions that should, over time, help lead to a healthier population. The research aims of WIDI are laudable, but the MOU will make those aims achievable.
Thank you, Andrew. And I think for me also, it's about the expansion of the learning programmes, because we know that there's offerings within the University of South Wales, and I think the deed of association between the University of Wales Trinity St David's, the University of South Wales, is instrumental in driving some different learning opportunities for the future. And I think as NWIS, NHS Wales Informatics Service, evolves into Digital Health and Care Wales, again, that gives us a greater opportunity to be strategic partners and look for funding, look for expansion of our research and our service offerings. Thank you.